Hey there, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about my Redmi Note 8, which I've been using for 4 years now, and ever since I bought it actually I'm running custom ROM on it. Like I bought it like immediately after it released in my country, and after maybe 1 month there were like TWRP and custom ROMs, and I just uh, installed custom ROM and started using custom ROM, and I never went back to my mm, official ROM. And I don't really know what OS or what version of MIUI it is running on now, because I never used MIUI on this device. So previously I was a Redmi Note 4 user, and I've got it to Redmi Note 8, and it was a good decision because this device is still working very well. So one thing about this device after using this 4 years is that it is really great device for the money I bought it actually. So I bought it for maybe $180 back then for 64 gig version, and I never regret about this device. The battery is good, the camera is good, and I have taken thousands of photos with this device, and all the videos you have been seeing on my channel, almost 99% of videos I have recorded with this device, and also I have edited with this device. So I don't use any kind of computer to edit my videos. You will see that in my videos there is no like cropping or anything like that. I just render it and upload it. There is no like editing going on with my videos. That's why the qualities are not good, that good actually. But still I'm trying to give you the information, and the information is there. So if you really listen to my videos, maybe you will get the information there, what is the title and what is I'm talking about. So same thing, there is no clickbait or anything like that in my video. I don't really want those things too. So here, as you can see, Redmi Note 8, and as after using 4 years, as you see, still this device is like new, although I have been using this device very brutally actually, because as I said, I have been editing videos and other things and everything like that, and battery is still holding up very well. So one thing about this device, why the battery is good on this device, on mine one, actually most of the time I have been using this device on Wi-Fi. Although I have SIM card nowadays, I've been using my SIM card on this device. The SIM card was there, but I never used the mobile data. I just using my um, mostly I've been using uh, Wi-Fi, because I'm in my room most of the time, so I use my Wi-Fi, and because of that maybe the battery is still good. That is could be the one point. Another thing is that I really take care of my charging pattern, because I always try to charge my device 20 to 80, not more than that. And in the Evolution X ROM, which is running on now, like last 6 months I've been using Evolution X ROM on this device, and there is a way you can limit the charge, so that after 90% it will not take charge anymore and it will stop charging. So in that way, the battery is still good. And in these 4 years I haven't faced any kind of issue with my device. And one problem I face in recent days is that my buttons got broke. And the buttons broke means the inside mechanism is still just fine. The button here, actually there are some kind of rubber thing, which actually when you press the button, which press the actual mechanism, and it got broke. And it is not really new thing. You will find most of the old devices getting this kind of problem. And but in this case, this device actually is really easy to repair. So you can take out your button, just like you can put a razor blade here and just take it out the button and put a new one. And in my case, I have put a red button here, as you can see. This button is actually not for Redmi Note 8. It is one. This one is from Redmi Note 7, and that's why it is little bit wobbly. And but one thing about this button is that it press very well, as you can see. So it clicks very well, better than the uh, original button. I don't know why, but it is there, but it is little bit wobbly. So if you want to, if your button is broken, not actual mechanism, if the power button is broken, you can just take it out and put a new one here. So you're good to go. So now coming to the custom ROM here. So as I said, last 6 months I've been using uh, Evolution X here. So recently I have updated this ROM. So like last 4 months I have been using on this device on like 7.9.2, and recently I have updated to 7.9 point something maybe. So 7.9.7. which is the latest version for this. The main reason to update this ROM, actually, it was I have been facing few issues with this ROM, like it was not charging. Like you have to reboot your device to charge sometime, and I have been facing some weird performance issue, mostly because of, could be because of my storage actually. So my storage is completely full maybe, and recently now there is 14 maybe few gigs available, although I have a, the memory card here is 256 gig, but I'm almost most of the time I use this to, like all my photos and videos stored in my internal storage. And because of that, maybe I was having few issues with this ROM. And you haven't seen any kind of custom ROM review these days, because I am not flashing any kind of custom ROM, because this ROM is so good. So if you are using any kind of ROM on your Redmi Note 8, please try Evolution X. It will give you a much better experience than other ROM. And also you can try Driftfest ROM. So as I said, I have been using this for like 6 months now, and now I'm thinking to change this ROM. Actually, I'm feeling boring now because this ROM is so stockish and there is not really much features. Although there is a dedicated feature list here, as if you go to Evolver, you will get a lot of things. But maybe I will go back to MIUI just to try after very long. I've been not been using MIUI for last 4 years. Ever since I bought this device, I just using custom ROM. I never went back to my MIUI. I have been to MIUI 14. That was also custom ROM, but it was really bad ROM. So I did not use that on even a single day. But this ROM is awesome. So there are few features which I really like about this ROM. Like if you go to battery section, it will give you like, you can like control your battery, how much you want to be charged. And there is some few things, as you can see, the battery cycle, it is showing like 1201 cycle. And that might be true. I'm not really sure about that, because I've been using this for 4 years. It could be true. And the design capacity and carrying capacity may be wrong, because I'm getting a little bit less uh, performance from my battery nowadays, because it's 4 years now. Maybe 90% or 80% is available on this device. Still I'm getting like 5 hours of screen on time from this device, and it is working just fine. I have no issue with that. And also you can go to the battery charging warning. You can use this one to battery level, like you can do it like 90% and it will stop charging the device. And mostly I'm using this device on this actually. So I used to charge my device only until 80%, and then I stopped charging my device. Because of that, the battery is still good on this device and it's working just fine. And also one more thing about this device, if you bought this device, the camera quality is really good on this device. The 48 megapixel camera, as you can see, although I don't really care about all other camera lenses here, 2 megapixel depth or other camera lenses, but the main camera here actually really shine on the department. Although it is an Samsung sensor here, but it really worked very fine. And as I said, almost 99% of my video you have seen on my channel, all those videos actually recorded with this device and also edited on this device. So to edit my videos, you will see that in my videos there is no cut or anything like that. The simple videos I have been uploading, I'm using Filmora and just editing videos on this and uploading. And surprisingly, it is still hold up in that department. And also for thumbnail, I'm using Pixar. Nothing really special here. Everything working just fine for me. I'm thinking to upgrade my device to better one. I don't really know which one I will buy, although I have an iPhone now, but still I don't use my iPhone that much like I use my Android device. And because most of the games I play all are here, like Call of Duty and Clash of Clan, which are the two games I've been using since maybe I bought my Android device. Still I'm using this device and it's working really fine. And one suggestion for those people who are using Redmi Note 8, please try Evolution X ROM on your device. It will give you a much better experience than whatever ROM you are using now. Although Driftfest ROM also quite good in this department, actually it also doing very well, but I didn't really like that because of few issues. But still I will say try Evolution X, or you can go with Driftfest 2. So that's all about the review of my 4 years journey with this device. And I really like this device, and now I'm feeling like I need to upgrade this device now. As I said, I'm getting really less performance from this device nowadays, because the ROMs are getting heavy and the specs are not getting the specs are not really great on this device. Snapdragon 665 is not doing well that much with Android 13 actually, but it's still quite usable device. So, and I haven't faced any issue with this device. So that's all about Redmi Note 8, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.